Hello, it's winter everybody. My name's Josh with Soil-Away Cleaning and Restoration. Today we're talking about ice dams, a very common problem in the New England winters here. So if you're watching this video, you probably already have an ice dam issue, so I'm not going to talk about how they happen. Let's talk about what to do if you have ice dams. So first thing you might be noticing are the signs of ice dams. You might have spots of water damage on your ceilings or walls. You might be seeing some bubbling in paint. You might even have light fixtures in the ceilings that are filling up with water from stuff that's coming through the attic or the walls. So those are stuff that you're going to have to deal with over the next few days, and let's talk about that right now. So the first thing you want to do is deal with the source, which is unfortunately a very difficult thing to do in the winter. The source of the ice dam is obviously the accumulated snow and ice on your roof coming through and making water damage inside your house. So if you can safely do these things or effectively do these things, these are some things to do. If not, I recommend hiring someone like a roofing contractor to come out. But a roof rake is sometimes effective, getting that first few feet of snow and ice off your roof. You can also put together socks, fill them with calcium chloride and put them up on the roof, and that'll start to melt the ice on the edge of your roof line and create channels for the melting snow and water to flow off your roof line. So those are the things to start addressing the source of damage. The last thing is what to do on the inside of your house with the water damage that's going on. Some people might set up a dehumidifier to start some drying. If you can safely put a hole in your ceiling, sometimes that'll drain some of the water out. Make sure you have a big bucket underneath to capture some of that water. And then ultimately you'll probably have to come in, hire a restoration company like Soil-Away to come in and do the cleanup and dry out for that process. So if you have any other questions, feel free to give our office a call, 603-641-6555. Thanks, Josh with Soil-Away.